Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Ben's Addiction. Today I've got a little project for the weekend, and it's for R129 SL500. This is 1994, but it applies to probably any Mercedes area from 1989 to 2001, I believe. Any R129 of that era. If you have by any chance one of these lights blown or burned, you might wonder how to replace them. This might seem easy, but you might break this light easily because it's so fragile at this time. And I tried to find resources on YouTube and I couldn't. Well, that's easy. I have removed this pad over here, but you don't even need to do that. You don't even need to remove that triangle. You only need to come here. There is a opening over here, as you can see, and don't touch anything else. As you can see, the whole lights can come off by pushing two taps. One tap from here, if you push it like toward the center of the car, and on the other side there is a hole as well. That's enough for your finger to go in and push that tab, pull this whole plastic housing away like that, and it's now loose. There should be enough space for you. If you need to remove this connector over here, you can do that. I didn't even did that. My blown bulb was exactly on the right hand side, this one. So I pulled it gradually and slowly away, and you need to replace a blown bulb like that. It's a 12 volt 5 watt bulb like this, and it happened to me that I had the replacement bulb. So if you need to prepare this bulb beforehand, do that, and just do your SL500 or SL300 or SL600 or R129 in general a favor and replace that bulb. It's not that hard. It only takes 15 minutes of your time. So guys, thank you so much, and I hope this tip helped you in your little project. Bye.